Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are working with ULAHAIR. Before I show y'all the hair that I'll be reviewing today, I want you all to know that it came with some good stuff like a wig cap, a rattle comb, an elastic band, a bow hair clip, a crochet hook, and the manual card. This is the star of the show. They're 20 inches Burmese curly feathers crochet braids. This came in 2 bundles and it was well secured. Meanwhile, take a closer look at this beauty. Look at that curls, the shines, and how soft this hair is. And by the way, this is 100% human hair. And you know, ULAHAIR don't play about the quality and the texture of their products. So this is how you're going to open the round hook and gently take out the hair like so. Separate them accordingly and they're easy and ready to be used. More details about this hair will be in my description box. Just keep on watching. to define the curls of this hair, I'm spraying some water on it. After that, I'm gonna apply some hair conditioner. I hope you will like this hair because I do. If you want to get one for yourself, please check my description box. All the information you need on how to make your purchase will be there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.